Amaro benge mwancho muligereria bwita seni kia Ndizi TV ngo kwaregania asemesa ya mangana maya Chinsa Ikomi egera nkomanye ali agendere gukoreka isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii no Gusii engima egera nkomanye asenchera yo bwenge na araria ya bariki baito bagenderete gutusangereria egero cyo kuyanyora gikoraga ensa eyamo yabono botuko asenchera yo bwenge rero ne chitarike 25 mutenyi no yo 11 omwaka no yubwechiru ibere na 22 lituko bono amatemo manene Kenya ngima ayakera 63 ne grade kya gatano nalimo acha kabene asense ya Kenya omwaziri bwechisemi Ezekiel Machogu na chakia amatemo yo asoko igore container ase county ya Mombasa boigo mwancho muligereria karamatemo manene achaka lituko lya rero nigo boigo muraibwense Dr. William Ruto aikiranire asege ikarogie chinkwana chomorembe asense ya DRC Congo egikarekyo gyakoreka asomoboganyo Safari Park imemo cho Nairobi abwasomora y'umukoro Uhuru Kenyatta n'abaraibande baumeranire asomogaso orero ayo ngati yale na kwariganirie asenchera y'obwenge asibali mugotobwatya wetera senchera y'emitandao tonyore wetera Ndizi TV News Digital abonensemo ya Facebook naboigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube nekero bwata chingaki nabogo tweet at Ndizi TV News wasoto bwati wetera ase website ya www.ndizitv.or.ke nkwiranande asegekege kekerebosyo egera nkomanye ayo amana yanda mange asenchera yobwenge Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita no liatokubwatera na komo goika sensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tigato ya chake korwa ase county ya Mombasa abwasomo waziri bwechisemi Ezekiel Machogu anyara kobaga kuigura ogo chakiwa kwa matemo manene yo mwako yo KCPE na aliake akepsea ase county ya Mombasa ensemo ya agose county ya Mombasa ensemo ya Mvita Ezekiel Machogu oyoene kia matemo yo achakalitikulia lero nigali no bwegeno abuna matemo yo na wikirana senchera erengikiranu neyo bwasiole asenonye nabo arurege kurege tindi gocha sonde bwensi oratoke kagokora oboibi bwa matemwayo
been able to put the necessary measures in place, and I assure you that there will be no cheating. Because this particular time we have personal accountability at the individual level, from the center manager to the security personnel, the supervisors and the invigilators. So we will make sure that there is no cheating of any kind in any of our schools. And also the security personnel are in place, whereas the vehicles, even there are certain areas where we have an arrangement of helicopters to make sure that the exams get to the respective schools in good time. We have everything in place, and we are assuring the Kenyans that we are going to present a credible exam where integrity will not be compromised. Today, KCPE and Kisii, we are going to have mathematics paper in the morning, and also they will do English paper plus composition in the afternoon. So we wish our candidates all the best in this particular exam, and of course it's 3 days, and Form 4 will be able to continue until the 23rd of this month. For Form 4 today, the only paper that we have that is going to be done is home science. So we wish you well, our candidates, and tackle your papers with all the confidence and the faith that you are going to pass well in your exams. Thank you.
Chinga kibono matemwa yuacha kaima mbia ya lero asechi county au waigo county ya Kisii nero ya chaka matemwa yua senchera ya bene abo wetania aboroki wa chiribu emerongo 52 bachaka wikaransera amatemwa yo kwene kia yono mo county commissioner we county ya Kisii Alan Masharia oyuane kyoko igorwa kwa matemwa yue mambia ya lero asene kelia babuatani bonsi buna matemwa yuna chikokoreka senchera yo bwene no bwasioku abwasatebire barabu bune serikali nigobe yariganetie asekende yonsi kerache ase matemwa yo kulinda sare no kwegena buna babwatani bonsi aborokia na aborokiwa mbachikobwatira na senchera ya bene elikwenekia amatemwa yo akorekire asenchera yo bwegenwa.
Today we are dispatching the KCSE and grade assessment papers at the centers. I want to start saying that we have close to 38,000 grade 6 assessment centers and 40,000 KCPE centers and 34,000 KCSE centers across the county. The KCSE kicked off technically last week. It has been going on and it will go. It is still going, but for KCP and grade 6 assessment, we are starting today. I also wish to assure that we have made adequate security arrangements. All centers are adequately covered, and we are pairing every center manager with a security officer to make sure that the exercise goes in a smooth way.
Ensemo yabasibwa korwa sechere nene ya Kisii main nigobe karansera matemo manene ayuacha kaima mbia ya lero ase county ya Kisii na Kenya engima kwene kia yono motenenelio monene bwecherejo abwase arino kwegena unabasibwa abo mbachigokora bya ase amatemwa yo magega ya machibwa manene ayuara chiego sokigwa bwangoiga chinga kiecho ensemo yabasibwa abo baikaransera matemwa yo manene mbarenge naya gochase bitaseni byaboliki osogochase nyomba cyoboralia abwase bagokerete ogoikaransera matemwa yo baganyereire asegeka
Panda, Senior Superintendent of Prisons and Officer in Charge of Kisii Main. I am also the County Prison Commander Kisii. I want to say that we are well prepared. We prepared our candidates well for the forthcoming KCP exams. We have 19 candidates registered and ready to sit for the exams. In as far as preparations are concerned, I want to say that the candidates are well prepared. They have been taken through the entire syllabus, and as the management, I want to believe that they are going to perform well.
Kwa hii masomo nimeona masomo haina mkubwa na mdogo, kwa hivyo na sasa nikaona ni vizuri niingie ndio kunisaidia. Niko na miaka 59.
Niweza kuona ya kwamba wengine walikuwa wanafanya hapa wakipita, baada ya kupita walikuwa wanawaajiriwa wengine, nami nikaona katika hiyo hali ndaweza kuwa wa kusoma, hata nikaweza kuwa wa kuangalia ile area ambayo sikuwa nimehusu, nikaweza kuwa wa kufanya vyema ili nami at least niwe mmoja wao wa wale ambao watakao toka nje wakiwa ni watu wazuri ambao wametakika.
Juma, mimi ni mfungwa. Nishamaliza 5 years kwa kifungo. Niliona ni vyema niingie katika shule. Nilikuwa pale nje sikuwa nimesoma. Nilisoma nikaachia class 7. Ile nilikuja jela nikaona ni vyema niendelee na shule juu nilipata shule iko bure jela nikaingia. Sasa hivi ninajitayarisha kwa hii mtihani tuko ready, tumeprepare.
Na kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira omokonyi wa commissioner nsema ya Nyamira South Florence Ebunga ni wanera ene kiao chakigwa kwa matemwa yua chakalero ense ya Kenya ngima abwasa aborokigwa ba grade sano ne mona grasi sano na isato ba chakabene amatemwa KCPE na Kipsea abwasa ene kiabune serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira berobe iriboikiranu kwa ene kiabuna matemwa yo aikiranira senchira yo bwasioku okwana chinga kechubo igono mo director korwa sensema ichisemi oyoba nobu maene buna matemwa yo na chigwikirana bya Mchandonsi ataliko enekiwa.
Madam Florence Obunga, Deputy County Commissioner, Nyamira South. Ningependa kusema kwamba tulianza mapema. 5:30 tulikuwa na center managers hapa. Tuliongelesha hawa na pia tukahakikisha ya kwamba kila center manager ako na security yake ya kuman mtihani.
We have released exams for our children in Nyamira County. So we have only 2 candidates who happen to have given birth, and actually they are going to sit for the exam at our major hospital, that is level 6, Nyamira level 6. I've also got a report that we have 1 candidate who was transferred to Eldoret referral hospital, and arrangement has already been made and with the necessary correspondence, so she is actually going to be given exams in the hospital where she is. Otherwise, everything went on well, and we don't expect any unfamiliar excellent.
County ya Narok nero ne ariganitie boikiranu eliokone kibuna matemo manena yoacha kalero na chigwikirana buraburu chinde chonsi chitalikwana kiwa ase county eyo ayonkorengana no mutenaneri bw'abanyanyimbo ase county eyo oyo enakire buna bero bereti boikiranu abo asateba chi ambulance wetani miemo na merongo ene nigo chabekirwe tayare asogocha gokonya aborokiwa bande bonsi anene abanyaruka bali bebwateranetiye chinga kibagendete na matemwa asekende yonsi kera abanyore chi ambulance nigo chireta yare kigima asoko babinyokia ase chinyagitari nyore county ya Narok nigebwatu mubaro monene bwa borokiwa abanyaruka abo bebwateranetiye asa matemu yo mwakoyo.
Tenders for KCP ambayo tuko na candidates 33,970 for KCP na pia for capture for Kipsea tuko na 36,782 candidates wala ambao wanafanya mtihani Narok County. Hii container ni ya Narok Central na partly Narok North. Pia tuko na container ingine Olukuto ambaye ina serve shule ambazo ziko katika hiyo sehemu ya Olukuto. We have got 12 containers in the county. Tuko na containers in all the 8 sub-counties na pia zile sub-counties ambazo ni kubwa sana. Kuna container kwa ofisi ya DCC Sekinani na pia Mara na pia tuko na container ingine Narok East na pia 12 containers in the county. In prison tuko na candidates 8 peke yake ambao wanafanya KCP in Narok County, the 8 students. Pia tuko na 248 candidates ambao wanafanya mtihani wakiwa na hiyo hali ya ujauzito, na hawa wasichana
Omoraibwense Dr. William Ruto nigara omorobiri obwo koigorwa gwe company yokorosia na kwenda na endagira ya Twiga asensemo ya Tatu City county ya Nairobi. Ruto gokwana nababwatani be company eyo nigo abakirangambi ya mono asokwene kiaba chakirie company eyo unenchera ya moyo gocha gukine birengo bya uchumi asense ya Kenya. Magavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja omawaziri Simon Chelugui ngati yabaraibaikirana asensemeyo.
To addressing unfavorable aspects of the regulatory environment, high cost of energy, and to rebooting the fertilizer supply chain. We shall engage the Council of Governors, as I have said, to rationalize the multiplicity of inter-county regulatory regimes, and that fertilizer prices and other commodities and other inputs make commercial sense to all our small-scale farmers. Additionally, I have directed the Ministry for Trade and Investment to facilitate your effective and meaningful participation under the Special Economic Zones Act so that we can eliminate the challenges that continue to exist in making it easy for enterprises to
aba bwatani bobomo bwazimio la umoja wa Kenya bakoragwa n'umurayibwa bake asebunge Opiyo Gundai nigo bakwanira balikiba mangana igoro yengana ya GMO igoro yengana yogokina kwibirengo by'ubugima asense ya Kenya korwase serikali ya Kenya kwanza okwana na balikiba mangana nigo batebire litkolya anke Jumanne kitarike 29 nigo barachikumirana ne komiti ebunge elikuligereria Chinchira chingikiranu asokolya machibu igoro yechinganecho.
Matter of GMOs and the alleged plans to import GMO maize by the government, the matter of insecurity which has become prevalent across the country, and generally the matter of the skyrocketing cost of living that has left a majority of Kenyans in the countryside unable to put food on the table.
Omurayo mokoro bwense ya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta na baraibande nigo baumeranira somo bugani safari park mimo cho Nairobi okwanera na kora chinkwana chomolembe asense ya DRC Congo eyuagendrete gwetera obututukano bonge asense yo korengana na Dr. William Ruto oyuikirana asege ikarekyo niga mwakire omurayo bwense mokoro Uhuru Kenyatta ngambi ya mono asemire mago kora kwene kiabuna nkura ale chinkwana chomolembe asorgongo bwe Chinsa cha Afrika.
We also appreciate with gratitude the role played by His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta as he continues to play the role as chief facilitator of the Nairobi process. Mr. President, I salute your credentials as you champion peace in our region, and in particular with regards to the inter-Congolese consultative framework. These shared values of the foundation of the East African community also anchor the strong bonds of connecting the nations and people of our greater community. It is self-evident fact that our region is united by a common yearning for peace, hope for unity, quest for opportunity, and desire for shared prosperity. The people of Kenya are deeply invested in the destiny of our brothers and sisters throughout this region, and as a government, it is our duty to actualize their aspirations by participating in
Mwanchu muligeria na rayu asabono kulinda mange ensemo ya bono botuko ne Chinsa isato amano yo Minto Vincent Onyanja toba isogusko kurwa Ndizi TV na rubwa nsugo Gusii oleto waterana ko mokoro asensema ibimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta nolene kya maliogi ne chivicha no yo Minto Abigail Nyanchama na nchi nigongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Kuligereria mugondo gaigatika turachakera ororo kera kuligereria moga ya buna meteiga anda kenali